talk about how can you fix this problem on your design home app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here can you looking for design home app, or just click here on search. So then add here design home, then you click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, then come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then you search for design home. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking